Hello everyone. So this is question number 2, CAT 23, slot 1. So we are given here that n is the least positive integer such that 168 is a factor of 1134 raised to power n divided by 160. So it is given that n is the least positive integer such that this is a factor of this. Let us just break down these numbers. Can I say this is divisible by 7? So can I say this is 7 into 3 into 8? And if I look at the other number, let us break down this. So if I divide by 7, we will get something like this. If I divide by 2, I'll get 81. So if this is divisible by this, can I say even with n equal to 1, we can manage a 7? We can manage 3, but 2, if it is to be divisible this number, the 8 has to be coming in this, and for that we need 2 ka power minimum as 3. So can I say the n minimum value is coming out as 3, or we can say the least integer such that 168 is a factor of 1134 raised to power n will be 3. And it is given that n is the least positive integer. So that means n has a confirmed value 3. Now, second statement tells me that if m is the least positive integer such that 1134 raised to power n is a factor of 168 raised to power m. Now, n we know is 3. And if we keep this in the broken form, 7 into 3 into 8 raised to power m divided by 7 into 3 raised to power 4 into 2 and whole power 3. Now, can I say that even with m as 1, this can be managed? And also we know that uh, we know that with m as 3, this 7 thing can be managed. But here we know that with 3 raised to power 12, and here it is just 1, the minimum value of m has to be 12. So can I just say that 1, 3 and 12, which is the highest value? So with 12, all the values can be managed, and we have to take m as 12. So my n is 3, my m is 12. So the value of m plus n will be 3 plus 12, that will be equal to 15. So can I say my answer will be fourth option?